Good morning children. Today we are continuing exercise 7.2 only. Second question. Already we completed the first question in the last video. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. What is given in the question? AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. So perpendicular we have marked means 90 degree. Bisector means equal sides we have already marked in the diagram, right? Now what we have to prove means AB equal to AC. So while joining the AD, you know that it is divided into the two triangles. So what is given in the question, we will write angle D equal to 90 degree and BD equal to CD. It is also given perpendicular bisector, right? Now what is to be proved? AB equal to AC, right? Now we have to prove that AB equal to AC. So one of the side will be AB and AC only in our triangle. No construction required here. So in triangle ABD, triangle ACD, we have to see the equal sides as well as equal angles. Which is the equal side? Triangle ABD we have taken first. So marked one is BD. So BD equal to CD. It is given. Again one more is given, angle D is equal to 90 degree. That is also given, right? Now you know that one side we got, one angle we got. Now this side is a common side. So two sides and one included angle we are getting here. So what we can write here? AD equal to AD common. Okay. So side, angle, side. So what is the criteria to be checked? Whether the angle is included or not. So in one triangle only we should do the checking ABD. We are taken the first side is BD, second side is AD. Meeting angle is which one? Included angle is angle D. So angle D is written. Similarly ACD is the second triangle. ACD is the second triangle. What is the first equal side? CD, and the second equal side is AD, meeting at D only. So what we can write here means triangle ABD is congruent to, for D it is D only. Okay, now for B what letter should be used? D is already gone, so for B correspondence is C. Now for AD equal to AD, D equal to D we have written, so for A is also equal to A only. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Criteria we already came to know. Which is the criteria? SAS. Now from this what we can write? AB equal to AC CPCT. So AB equal to AC only we have to prove, hence proved. Or we can say therefore triangle ABC is isosceles. Hence proved. I repeat once again what is given in the question. Angle D and AD perpendicular to BC. So D equal to 90, and it is a bisector also, perpendicular bisector also. So BD equal to CD. So one equal side, one equal angle we got. Now what is left there? One side and one angle got means either angle or side only possible. So side we can take easily because it's a common there. So we had written in a proof statements BD equal to CD, angle D equal to angle D, and also AD equal to AD. So SAS criteria we are getting two sides and one angle. So before writing SAS criteria we must check that angle is included or not. So triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD SAS. By this what we can write? AB equal to AC CPCT. So we got two sides are equal in a triangle, therefore triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, hence proved. Third question. ABC is an isosceles triangle. What is the meaning of this one? AB equal to AC, right? Next, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which the altitude B BE and CF are drawn to the equal sides AC and AB, show that these altitudes are equal. So here what we have get means AB equal to AC is given. You can go for angle B also, and angle B and angle C are also equal, right? So AB equal to AC, I can write angle AB, so angle AB equal to angle C also, and moreover E equal to F, that is also 90 degrees given. Altitudes are equal is given, right? So altitudes are equal, we have to prove means BE and as well as CF are the one of the sides, right? BE and CF are one of the sides only. Now which type of the criteria we can use here, let me check. So what is given, we will complete first. What is given? AB equal to AC, and also B and CF are altitude, so we can write that angle E equal and angle F equal to 90 degree, right? Next, to prove altitudes are equal, which are the altitudes? B equal to CF, B equal to CF, so we can write the proof. Now we have to prove BE equal to C. So BE, we have to take the one on the side. Let us take the triangle BEA, right? BEA. And similarly, we can go for the other triangle, triangle CFA also. CFA, right? Now BE is the triangle, that means ABE. ABE, which is the equal side, we have marked AB, completely AB only. So I can write here AB. AB equal to which side? AC. Let us check that in CFA, complete side AC is coming also, right? So this is given. Okay. Now AB I have taken, angle E is 90 degree, ABE, this is 90 degree means what about this? This also 90 degree only. This angle is coming in ABE, right? Not this. AB triangle, ABE triangle, angle this side is coming. So that is 90 only. So angle E equal to, similarly, what is the next name of the triangle? CFA. So this side we required, right? So angle E equal to angle F equal to 90, that is also given. Okay. Now what is the next criteria? Means A is common here, ABE, A is coming. Similarly, which is coming next? ACF also A is coming, complete angle A is coming there. So A equal to angle A common. So what we can write now? Triangle ABE congruent to triangle A. For A it is A only, EF only. So here C. So criteria now let us check. This is side, angle, angle. So which is the criteria? AS is the criteria. Now let us check that A is here, E is here. Included side we are not taken, right? A is the angle, and similarly what is the second angle? Angle E. Included side is not coming because AB is taken. So we will write here AAS. Right? Now by writing AAS, what we can write? B equal to CF. CPCT. Hence proved. Okay. So once again the repetition, AB equal to AC is given, right? Angle equal to angle F is also given. Angle A is a common. These three criteria is coming there. So what is the criteria we can use here? AAS. Let us see once again. ABE. What are the criteria we have taken? Angle A, angle E, and AB. Right? Similarly, CFA, which are the criteria we have taken? Angle A, angle F, then equal side AC. Right now here another option is also there, AAS. So we have proved as AAS and a BE equal to CF also we got. Now in the same way, can we go for CFB? Similarly, BEC, another two triangle. Roughly we can take, what is the triangle name? Triangle BEC. I am taking down BEC. Similarly, CFB also. Triangle CFB. This is not required, only one proof is required. For understanding the concept, we are trying this way. BEC, take it BEC. Angle E is marked, angle C is marked. Understood? BEC, angle E is also coming, C is also coming. Angle E and angle C. Similarly, CFB. CFB, which is the equal angle for E? Angle F. And which is the equal angle for C? It is B only. So we got two angles again. Now BC as a common side. So again we are getting criteria angle, side. Similarly we can prove that triangle BEC is congruent to, for E which angle? F. For C it is B. So what is the name of the triangle now? CFB. So from this CB equal to CF we will get. Here also which is the criteria we have to use? AAS. Any one of the proof you can use. There is no compulsory that this only to be used or that only to be used. So what is the reason you have to correct clearly? This is given, it will come. Here what we should write? Angle opposite to equal sides. That is the reason to be written. I have not written the reason. For this given only we should write here angles opposite to equal side. Now BC equal to BC, what I should write? Tell me. Common. This is extra proof only. Anybody is interested to prove like this, they can prove. One of the method you should choose. Anyhow, both the criteria if you use, you will get which criteria only? AAS only. By this what we can prove? The altitude are equal. Triangle ABC is a triangle, ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to the sides AC and AB are equal. Show that triangle AB congruent to triangle ACF and also AB equal to AC. That is the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. What is the question? The triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so what is given in the question means this time altitudes are equal. Here there is a confusion among the children always every year. ABC is a triangle in which altitudes are equal. Now read this question. This three terms you avoid. Altitudes B and CF are equal. Don't confuse the statement. Here are equal. This three sentence if you avoid means, three words if you avoid means altitudes are equal, and clearly it is asked that AB equal to AC only we have to prove. So don't confuse and take that AB equal to AC already there, right? We have to prove that it is an isosceles. Don't confuse the idea. So what is given in the question this time? BE equal to CF. And since it is an altitude, we can write that angle equal to angle F equal to 90 degree. It is altitudes. They are given the word altitudes. To prove, two things we have to prove. What is to be proved? First one, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. What is the second criteria? AB equal to AC. If two sides are equal in a triangle, then we can know that it is a isosceles. So proof now. Clearly it is mentioned in the question which triangle we have to take. So triangle ABE only. First one. And the second one is triangle ACF. Now see ABE, which angle is coming 90 degree? Angle E. ACF. Angle F. Okay. ABE if we are taken, which is the common angle? Angle A. So angle A I'll write. Next, what is the next criteria? Angle A is a common in ACF also. Check that one. ACF, complete angle should come. So angle A equal to angle A common. Now two angles we got, one more side we should get. It is already given part B equal to CF. B equal to CF we have not marked in the question. So B equal to CF. It is coming there. So triangle AB we can write B and triangle ACF we can write CF. So it is also given. Right. Now therefore triangle AB congruent to triangle ACF. Order we can already we can write it because it's already given in the question. Now criteria is what? Angle, side. Which angle we have considered? E we have considered, that means AB, this angle and this one. So B is we have considered the side there. It is not included. So it is AAS. Right? So from this what we can write for AB? AB equal to AC CPCT. Therefore triangle ABC is isosceles. So same as the last case proof, only this one we have taken two angle and one side. So what is given in the question? B equal to CF and angle equal to angle F 90 degree. Along with this, what is the criteria we added? Angle A common. So two angles, one side we have used and we checked that this side is not included side. So triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by AAS criteria. From this what we can write? AB equal to AC CPCT. Therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. With this today's class I am winding up. Congruency is continuing, so different proofs are getting. Practice more. Thank you.